homemaking and cleaning. Okay, this is the music room downstairs, and it's also where our grandson sleeps when he comes to visit. So I'm going to open the curtain. I'm just going to tidy up in here. Probably things we don't need. This big pillow goes upstairs for the daughter. The bedroom and the living room. I'm going to put it in the laundry room. I'll leave that there. Okay, and I want to get rid of these boxes. These can go out in the hallway too. Well, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Sharon, and today I am cleaning the downstairs of our living area. This is where our son lives, and we are buying this place together. So I'm just cleaning out this music room. It's not really dirty, just a bit cluttered. And as I said before, this is where our grandson sleeps when they come to visit. And they are coming to visit. I would also like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. It is free. And give me a thumbs up and comment. This really helps my channel get out there. So we'll get back to what I'm doing. With these clothes. Yes, they close. That's a good thing. Put that chair there. That there. Leave these in here. Just gonna move this stuff around. Oh, it's just a bag and a bottle. Okay. This mess is not my son's mess. It's my mess. I do sometimes put stuff in his music room that I'm not sure where I want to put it in the house. He is very kind and lets me do this. So that is another reason why I am cleaning this room out. I don't need this. So he's going to want to set up the TV. And I'm going to get rid of this chair because it needs to go upstairs. For seating. And this is the big TV. Just gonna set some of this stuff down around. Put this in here. Stick it in the closet. And I'm just gonna dust. Open the window a little bit. Let some air in. Off and do some dusting. Basements, they have the little ledge that goes all the way around like that. So that's what I'm going to start to dust. I'm just spraying my cloth with my sprayer, with my cleaner. of dusty. Spray some more. And continue dusting. Now, just move this stuff down. At this time, I would like to thank you all for subscribing. I reached my 1,000 subscribers, and now I just need to get my watch hours up so I can monetize. And I said quite a while ago that I would give away something when I reached 1,000 subscribers. So my next video is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I am going to give away a $50 Amazon gift card. So if you want to enter that contest, you need to watch me on my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And of course, be subscribed, click on my video, like it. And leave me a comment so I can put your name in the draw. So I'm very, very excited about this. And I hope you all come over and watch my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Hey, anybody out there that knows what all those black things on all the black things on the wall are, drop it in the comments so I can just see if you all know. Maybe I'll tell you at the end of the video. Well, we've got this room all cleaned, and after I sweep, I give it a good mop and I make the bed so that it's all ready for the grandson to come and visit. And I'd like to remind you that on Tuesday, my tiny tidy video, you will be able to enter for a draw that will be worth $50 from Amazon. If you win, I'll send you that Amazon card. Anyhow, don't forget to enter next on Tuesday for the draw. And thanks for watching. Bye.